me. The 5th of May was a hell of a day when the great Titanic first sailed away. The captain and the lieutenant was having some bad words when the Titanic hit that motherfucking iceberg. They had a brother on there named Shine. Some people said he was a father of mine. He's a captain. Captain, don't you know? There's 40 feet of water on the boiler room floor. The captain said, get back, you dirty black. I got 1,000 pumps to keep that damn water back. Shine went back down below and he began to think. He said, I want to do you white folk know this bitch getting ready to sing. He said, crowds in the ocean, out in the sea. But this one time, these crackers ain't gonna bullshit me. Shine came back up on the top. He said, Captain, the water just won't stop. Shine, the captain said, nigga, look at him. I told you before to have no fear and have no doubt. If you bring your black ass up in one more time, I'm gonna take a 2x4 and knock your black ass out. Shine said, wait a minute, Captain. You standing there bullshitting, slowly thinking, can't you see this ragged motherfucker slowly singing? He said, furthermore, that shit you talk about once been true, but this one motherfucker time your talk won't do. And furthermore, I'd rather be in that ocean going round and round than to be on this ragged motherfucker slowly sinking down. Then Shine went up on the top, waved his little ass and began to swim. Had 1,000 million hell, just look at him. The captain's daughter, she was on there. She was pregnant with a baby. She said, Shine, please say for me, and I'll name my baby after thee. Shine said, bitch, look at him. You all knocked up with your motherfucking kid, but you would have to jump your ass in this ocean like I just did. Saving you would be mighty fine, but the first thing I gotta do is save this black ass of mine. There was a colored woman on there, kind of high yellow, kind of like you know what I'm talking about? She was the captain's outside wife. She said, Shine. I've been down through the cotton fields and I waddled in the mud. I must confess, Shine, we got the same kind of blood. Shine said, wait a minute, bitch. You can talk so sweet and you can talk so fine, but you shouldn't have brought your high yellow ass across this motherfucking color line. Remember me, I'm the one you call the boiler room flunky. So keep your imitation white ass on board that shit. Go down with that hunky. Then the captain wise to Shine, please say for me, and I'll give all this good coochie to you. Shine said, wait a minute. I like your shape and I like your plan, but you should have been talking that shit when you was back there on dry land. He said, now just think, if I was in Hattiesburg, Mississippi, and was to ask you for some trim, you would holler rape your crackers and hit my ass in the highest oatmeal. Then the captain said, Shine, please say for me, I'll make you the richest black in all eternity. Shine said, wait a minute, Captain. You got one hell of a motherfucking nerve. You deliberately ran that ship in that iceberg. He said, you remember that 2x4? Jump on it and I might pull your ass to show. Then Shine went to swimming, ran into a big old shark, and he brought him to the side. He said, okay, you big blue-eyed motherfucker, let's go for a ride. But the shark said, nigga, can't you see? Out in this ocean, your black ass belongs to me. Shine said, I know this black ass you would like to take, but we're here in New York City, gonna be one hell of a motherfucking race. He said, the eyes might shine and the teeth might grip, but if you think about eating meat, you can't have motherfucking shit. Then Shine did something only the good Lord ever done. He got on top of the water, made a break and run. Shine turned over and did a backhand stroke, saw water shine on his ass like a brand new motorboat. Now some of y'all want to know how come Shine didn't drown? He stuck a coke up in his ass so it wouldn't go down. And if anybody asks y'all who told us to, tell them we'll line that bull from coast to coast.